Ben Giles has been charged with unlawful possession of a weapon while under parole. Mr. Giles, how do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Let the record show that Mr. Giles is pleading not guilty. Now will the prosecution make its opening statement?
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I am here for the facts. And the fact of the matter is 6. Not 1, nor 2, but 6 assault weapons were found in this man, Mr. Giles' apartment. They were plainly visible to the prosecution when overlooking the evidence. They were very visible to the fine men and women of law enforcement when they overlooked the scene. And they therefore were quite visible to that man. Which leads us to today's charges on possessions of deadly weapons. The defendant will tell y'all long tales about rival gang members breaking in and planting them there, but that is hogwash. The defendant is either blind or he is a liar. I will leave that up to you guys to decide. Thank you. And thank you, Your Honor.
And the defense?
People of the jury, how do we even know that those guns were real? They could be toys.
Objection, Your Honor. The weapons have been admitted to evidence, tested by police, and subsequently trigger-locked because they are in fact real.
Objection sustained.
Real.
Does the defense have anything else to say?
No, Your Honor.
Because they are in fact real.
You're not a real lawyer.
Real.
You're a stinking public defender. You're nothing. You'll never be nothing.
What am I doing? He's right. I'm not a real lawyer. I should have followed my dream and become a musician. The only thing I was ever good at was jazz.
The defense has one final argument.
The defense may proceed.
People of the jury, it is true that my client has made mistakes in his past. But we all have made mistakes. I have. You have. You know who deserves a second chance? You do. I do. We all do. You want to know the truth? You want to know the real truth? The prosecutor? He cheats on his wife with his sister's wife. And the judge? You think he's so great? He embezzles money to buy crack. And I don't recycle plastic straws. There. I said it.
Objection.
Overruled.
But you can't.
I can. The defense may continue. Thank you, Your Honor.
But this is preposterous.
This is jazz court. The prosecutor said that my client would have to be blind to have not seen those guns. But you know what? He is blind.
But how did those guns get there in the first place, you may ask? Well, I'll tell you, because the prosecutor is in the rival gang. Well, are we ready for a verdict? I think we are, Your Honor. But what does the jury say?
Not guilty, 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 innocent.
Objection!